Hi, friends. It's Mr. Rogers here. So I wanted to really quickly talk about cheating on tests and how disappointed I was with it. So this is for AP Bio and Bio, this video. So if you're an AP Bio kid, you're looking at a bio test. I understand that you're at home and there's an urge if I don't know something and I'm struggling to look something up, but we really have to fight that urge. The bio test even says in the beginning, any form of cheating will get a 0 outline. Please take the test fairly and whatnot. AP Bio, we talked a lot before the test about how I'd rather have you show me what you don't know than show me what Google knows. And so it was quite disappointing. So I want to go through how I know. So there's a couple of things that are very apparent. So one, like the first question here in the bio, what are the 7 characteristics of living things? Some of your guys' answers were not things we talked in class. They were different answers used. And most of them came from the first thing you search when you, what are 7 characteristics of living things? You guys are writing down order, sensitivity, response to environment, reproduction, growth, development, regulation, homeostasis, energy processing. 1, you weren't even putting the commas in the right spots. But 2, this is from a different book. This is from a 7th grade book. Some of you guys were going down here. What are 10 characteristics? I had some of you guys writing 10 characteristics. It just reeked of I didn't do the work in the class, and now I'm trying to just take the test and try to get good a score as possible, I guess. There's other ones too. Like the other one that drove me nuts, and this is pretty common in the bio test, was what genus species of humans? Well, Google lies to you. Well, it doesn't really lie to you. It doesn't give you a good answer. 6 out of 7 of you guys just put Homo. Well, that's the genus. It says right here, but that's not the species. The species is Homo sapiens. And it became very, very, very apparent that we were just Googling answers. I'm upset about it, and I'm disappointed. I understand maybe there's an urge to cheat and whatnot, but it becomes very, very apparent when you're grading something and it sounds like a science major wrote it for some questions that are easily Googleable, like give 2 examples of positive feedback. And then when I write a question that you can't Google and you fall apart, or write out the 4 pressures that cause natural selection. If you actually type that in, it gives you answers that are not even real answers. These are answers for other things in evolution. And I got so many of those across the board. It was upsetting. And this is not to happen in bio. This is also AP Bio. We're like, how is water polar? So I have a meeting this afternoon with Ms. Short and Mr. Starr. We're going to kind of decide what we're going to do. If you'd like to come talk to me about it, that's fine. But for the rest of us, I'm glad for the people that took the test fairly. Thank you for doing that. I'm sorry that the next test is definitely going to have more stipulations and other things going on. And I'm unfortunately, that's just how it's going to have to be. So please make sure you're taking things fairly and honestly. It is part of your student code, part of the syllabus, and we'll go forward. And hopefully we do better next time. So thank you guys. Have a good day.